Transcend is the smallest, lightest, most portable CPAP in the world, and Transcend offers the only waterless humidification CPAP on the market. Here's how it works. This is an HME, which stands for heat-moisture exchange. HMEs have been used for ventilation therapy in hospitals for more than 50 years. Air is blown from the CPAP to the mask and passes through the HME as the user inhales. Upon exhaling, the heat and moisture from the breath is trapped by the HME as the carbon dioxide exits through the mask vent. As the user again inhales, heat and moisture is released from the HME to provide warm, comfortably moist air. This cycle repeats itself, providing the perfect amount of humidification all through the night. With Transcend, you have humidification options. There's a bedside or a wearable system designed to give you maximum freedom throughout the night. And with Transcend, you'll never spill or have to clean another water tray again. Ask for Transcend, the world's smallest, most portable, hassle-free humidification CPAP on the market. Transcend, sleep apnea therapy systems.